Hey bestie, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you are here. If you found value here, please support me by liking, commenting and sharing. I love you. Mwah. Today we are going to be making a DIY tripod stand, and let's get into it already. These are the materials we'll be needing for this production. We will need to get 2 different sizes of PVC pipes, a cutter, candle adhesive and the gun. If you don't have the gun, you can substitute for a candle, sandpaper, hand saw, plier, scissors, ruler or tape, a piece of paper, pencil, copper wire, nut and bolt. Now you cut out 3" from the PVC that is bigger, since it's going to serve as the middle joint. You make a cut in the middle with the hand saw and try to shrink it so that the smaller PVC is going to fit into it. When you are sure you have a perfect fit, you can go ahead to close the edges with the hot glue gum. I've said it before, if you do not have electric, use candle, the one I'm using now. Use sandpaper to smoothen the surface. Because you already have bits of adhesive gum on it, it's going to be a bit rough, but just try and smoothen it out with the sandpaper. Now after that, you are going to cut out 1" from the smaller PVC pipe and make a C cut out of it. You're going to need 3 C pieces for this, because this C is going to serve as a piece holding the leg to the main joint. After carving out the C, now you go ahead to cut out another 3" from the smaller pipe. You open it up in the middle and turn it around, and with the help of the cutter, screw into it a hole where you would attach nuts and bolts for the sake of grip. Apply hot glue on the smaller one and stick it under the hole. With that done, you can screw in your nuts and attach the upper body to the lower body, if you know what I mean. Attach the smaller pipe to the main joint pipe. Now coming back to our C cut, with the aid of a pencil, make a dot in the middle, 1/2 inch away from the side. And now with the help of our cutter again, drill a hole into the dots you marked on both sides of the C. Now having done that, we're going to cut a piece of paper at about the same size of the main joint pipe and divide it by 3. Now wrap it around the main joint and mark out the points where you divided. This is going to help us determine the exact middle point at which we are going to attach our C cuts. Now you go ahead to apply hot glue to those points that you marked out and apply your C cuts. If you are at this point of the video and you have not subscribed to my channel, it is not fair. Please subscribe, like, share, drop a comment. That is the only way you can support me and to push this video further into the algorithm so that people that actually need it will see it. Thank you so much. Now we really need these C cuts to stick to the main body, so we're going to cut out chunks of hot glue and add extra glue to it so that it will stick very well. Now for the legs, I went ahead to measure 4 inches long. It depends on your preference anyway. You can do any one you like and make these piercings that you are seeing now. And of course, with a wire, you are going to attach the legs to the main body as you are seeing now. I don't have to explain too much. Now you're going to cover the sides of the poking with hot glue so that it doesn't keep falling out. Make sure you take your time and do it. Stop looking as if it's easy. It is not easy. Take your time. Don't rush. Make sure you attach the glue all around, and after that use a plier to chop off the wires so that you don't go and injure yourself. Now after that is done, with our cutter again, open a hole in the main body. attach another bolt and nut, and of course with the help of a hot glue, attach the smaller part to the bottom, and that is it. That is for another source of grip. In fact, this is the main grip. The first one wasn't really necessary like that. This is the most important grip, because this is where you are going to navigate the movement, the going up and the coming down. After that, get a longer PVC pipe, measure the size of your phone, and with the help of the handsaw, open it. When you are done, just attach it to the stand, screw it, and you can spray if you like. If you don't want to, it is fine. This is the end product, and see you in my next video. Make sure to drop a comment, make sure to like, and if you don't subscribe, no problem, that one is between you and God. Bye, I love you. Mwah.